We just went through a week of record-breaking dry heat, weather, all of the good stuff, and there's a news flash. Summer is just starting. It actually started at 9:32 this evening with the summer solstice. So how bad will it get? Well, can you believe that 23 years ago, many Utahns were digging out of a snowstorm? Craig Wirth says the June 17th storm was the latest snow on record in our most populated areas. It's worth watching tonight.
So it's the start of summer in the mountains. The aspens are quaking, the flowers are out. Not even in Summit County do we have the threat of snow anymore this late in the season. Nope, no threat of those miserable, heavy snows in pleasant places such as Summit Park. Wanna bet? This is Summit Park, June 17th, 1998. Yep, it snowed like crazy this late in June. And crazy, that's a scientific weather term. And you would never believe it today. No, it couldn't have happened. Our reporter had to ask a kid.
It's supposed to be summer.
I know.
What's wrong?
Snowing.
Yep, the kids are right. And summer was just hours away. Oh, it felled trees in Immigration Canyon, in the hills above Tooele. The temperature even dropped from 91 into the 40s in the St. George area. And Utah County, yep, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Or again, to use the official scientific weather term, crazy. This caused a boatload of canceled plans.
I was supposed to ride my motorcycle this afternoon, so we'll just see if it happens.
I was going to have sun today. I was going to have a sun bath and really get some tan.
It's crazy, man. It's just crazy. We're all supposed to play golf tomorrow.
Oh, some went out to make new plans. The park record showed the beginning of a snowman. And how about a trip to Cedar Breaks to see the snow? I mean, these weren't just flurries. It was real snow, almost 23 years ago. Well, it's finally summer, even here in Summit Park. No more snow. Maybe. Craig Wirth, ABC 4 News.